In this video, I will show you how to simply rotate your video in Snapchat. Just like what you see right here, if you take a look at this particular video, you find out that the video is turned upside down. Video to face the normal direction. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do right here is to make sure you select the video in Snapchat. Having selected the video in Snapchat, go ahead and click on crop right here. And then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this icon. This allows you to rotate your video into different directions, just like so. Once you're satisfied with the direction, click on here to accept, and boom, you have your video rotation back into a normal direction in your Snapchat. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Snapchat video editor, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.